What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? One moment, life is normal. The next, the planet slams to a halt. The ground stops, but everything else, people, animals, buildings, keeps moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. We'd be launched eastward at supersonic speeds, turning the world into a disaster zone in seconds. The atmosphere, still moving, would become a planet-wide hurricane, shredding everything in its path. Friction would ignite global firestorms, and nothing would be left standing. Oceans would surge, creating tsunamis that sweep across continents. The surface would be scoured clean, a testament to the power of momentum we never notice. Earth's spin is more than a background detail. It's the engine of our days, weather, and life itself. Right now, you're moving with the planet like a passenger in a speeding car. We don't feel it until the motion stops. Inertia would turn everything loose into deadly projectiles. The world as we know it would vanish in an instant. The air, the land, the seas, nothing would escape the chaos. This is the unimaginable power of a planet in motion. The oceans, obeying inertia, would unleash global tsunamis, swallowing continents and grinding cities to rubble. No mountain would be high enough to escape. Coastlines would disappear, replaced by a chaotic, swirling sea. The planet's shape would change. Without spin, Earth would become more spherical and water would rush from the equator to the poles. Two massive polar oceans would form, leaving a supercontinent at the equator. Familiar cities would vanish beneath kilometers of water, while new land would emerge where tropical seas once were. Weather, as we know it, would end. The Coriolis effect, which drives storms and winds, would vanish. Air would flow simply from the cold, dark side to the hot, sunlit side. The climate would become extreme. No seasons, no gentle breezes, just relentless winds and temperature swings. The world map would be unrecognizable. Civilization would be erased and Earth's geography would be forever changed. The planet would settle into a harsh, static new reality. On a non-spinning Earth, a day would last a year, 6 months of scorching sunlight, 6 months of freezing darkness. The sun-facing side would become a lifeless desert, temperatures high enough to boil water. The dark side would freeze, buried under thick ice and snow. Only a narrow twilight zone between the two extremes might support life, with the sun forever on the horizon. Here, temperatures could allow liquid water, but survival would be precarious. Constant winds would howl from the hot side to the cold, making life even harder. But there's a deeper problem. Earth's spin powers our magnetic field, shielding us from deadly solar radiation. If the planet stopped, the magnetic field would collapse. Without it, solar and cosmic radiation would bombard the surface, destroying any hope for life. The atmosphere would be stripped away, just as it was on Mars. The planet would become a barren, irradiated wasteland. Even the twilight zone would offer no refuge. Thankfully, this nightmare is pure fiction. Earth's spin is unstoppable. No force could bring it to a sudden halt. Our planet's rotation is the silent rhythm of life, driving days, weather, and the shield that protects us from space. Thinking about this impossible scenario reminds us how interconnected and fragile our world is. Every sunrise, every breeze, every living thing depends on Earth's steady motion. The next time you watch the sun rise, remember, you're riding a cosmic carousel. Our spinning planet is a rare wonder in the universe. Its motion is the heartbeat of life. Understanding these forces deepens our appreciation for the world we call home. We are part of a grand cosmic story, one that spins on day after day, and that's something worth celebrating.